channel Teaching Ara. Today our topic is about articles. So basically we have three types of articles. One is a, one is an, and another is the. So out of which a and an are called as indefinite article and the is called as the definite article. So indefinite articles are similar in nature, but the only difference is we need to concentrate on the sound of a singular noun. So if it is a vowel sound, then we will use an, and if it is a consonant sound, then we will use a. And most of the people confuse that if a noun starts with a vowel letter, then we'll write an, and if a noun starts consonant letter, then we'll write a. No, it's completely wrong. We need to focus on the sound of the noun. How does the noun sound starts with? If at all it is starting with a vowel sound, we need to use an before that singular noun, and if it is starting with a consonant sound, then we need to write a before that singular noun. Now let us discuss about indefinite articles first and what are the rules of it, and then after we'll go with the definite article, that is the. Coming to the indefinite articles, a and an are called as indefinite articles. Now a, when do we use a? Singular consonant noun. So we use a before a singular consonant noun. Let us take the example. A doctor. So doctor, the sound of the doctor is d, so we'll use a, and at the same time we need to notice whether it is a singular or plural. If it is plural, no matter what, we are using the. If it is a singular, then we need to recheck if it is an or a that we have to use. I already told we need to concentrate on the sound of the letter. Now, young man, y sound, y is a consonant again. So we will write a, young man. Now here the letter starts with u. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowel letter. But we need to concentrate on the vowel sound. What is the phonic of this particular letter? Now for example with A, we'll get 3 types of sound like A, for example apple, a sound, okay, and aeroplane, a sound. So in the same way, each alphabet has n number of sounds. So according to that, we need to only concentrate on the sound of the particular alphabet. Now, university. Though the letter is a vowel, but the sound is not a vowel. The sound here is consonant. So y sound again. So that's why we will write a university. In the same way, one, O is considered as a vowel alphabet, but though we'll write a one-eyed man. In the same way, whole, H starts with her sound. So a whole. If you are clear with this indefinite article a, then obviously the vice versa is and, so you will easily understand the other one. Let us see another article, that is an. Now when do we use an? We use an before singular vowel sound. This is very important. We need to concentrate not before a vowel letter, but we need to concentrate on a singular vowel sound. Now, interesting story, interesting, E. So it is giving the sound of E. So hence we write an interesting story. In the same way, honor. Observe carefully, this is pronounced as honor, not honor. So here the letter H is silent. So hence the sound starts with O, that is honor, A sound. So hence the article is an. In the same way, hour, we use generally half, an hour. It is not hour, it's hour. H is silent again. So that's why we use an alphabet here. In the same way, honest man. See, whatever the words start with H, it is not compulsory that H is silent. So that's why I have given the example here, whole. It starts with the sound of H, that is whole. So hence we have written A here, but here the H is silent. So that's why we write an here. An honest man. Next one, old. Here one W sound is given, so that's why we have written a one-eyed man, and in the same way here old man, O, it is giving clearly the sound of O, hence our article is an old man. I hope you understood this. The second logic, that is professions. So same here as well, professions. Now again the same rule, any profession with the sound, okay, we need to concentrate with the sound. If the profession is starting with the vowel sound, then we are going to write an, and if the profession is starting with the consonant sound, then we are using a here. Example, clerk. Clerk, A, B, C. C is a consonant, so a clerk. Teacher, T sound again, and a. Again I am repeating, just check whether it is singular noun or not. If at all it is given teachers or clerks in a plural form, then we are not using a, we are using the for plural things. Whether it may start with the vowel sound or a consonant sound, we are using the if it is a plural noun. In the same way, engineer, A-E-I-O-U, E, engineer. So engineer, it's a vowel sound, so article is an. And in the same way, astronaut. Astronaut, an astronaut. If it is plural astronauts, the astronauts. Now let us go to the third one. Before a consonant abbreviation. So consonant abbreviations, any of the abbreviations, if it is a consonant, then we are using a. Vowel abbreviations, we will use an. For example, BTech, B is giving a B sound, so hence we write a BTech student. And in the same way, BA qualification. So a BA qualification, because it starts with the consonant sound. And in the same way, vowel abbreviations, anything which starts with vowel abbreviation, vowel sound of it, not the letter. Now for example, yum is considered as a consonant sound, but if you observe the sound of M, the letter M, M, it starts with a sound, hence it is an MA, and MA literature, MA student, MLA. And in the same way, LLB, L, a sound, it again starting with a sound, so hence it is an LLB. So Bachelor of Law, we need not to be worried about the abbreviations, so just concentrate on the sounds. So if we goes on take an example like this, the only point which we have to consider is the first one, whether it is a singular consonant sound or a singular vowel sound. So according to that, we need to classify a and an. So I hope you understood a and an, that is indefinite article. Let us now discuss about article the, that is definite article. So already you have got an idea that whatever it is a plural word, we need to use the. So let us see what are the more points we have in definite articles. Now the first rule in the article is definite person. We use it for the definite person, a particular person. For example, collector. we have only one collector for the district, and in the same way principal, one principal for the school. So when a noun is a definite one, then we are using the article here, that is a particular one, definite one, that is the article the. Let us go with the second rule, that is repeated for the second time. If a noun is repeated in the first sentence, it is introduced, and later on if the same noun is repeated, so that repetition we have to use the definite article, because we are talking definitely about the person which was introduced in the first sentence. Let us take an example to understand it better. There was a blank old man, blank old man had a dog. So here it is a one sentence. There was, what is the article here we need to write? There was an old man. So old man, O, it starts with the sound O, so hence there was an old man. Now dash old man had a dog. Now here we are talking about the same old man again which was introduced in the first sentence. So that's why we need to write the old man here, not an old man. Same way, let us take one more example to clear it off. There is dash duster on my desk. What is the article we need to write here? Duster. It's a singular one. So the sound. So we need to write a. There is a duster on my desk. Get me dash duster. The same duster which was introduced in the first sentence, again it was repeated. So we need to write the here. This is how we need to write the article for the repeated nouns. Coming to the third point, unique and universal. The unique things, only one and only thing in the universe, or universally if we have only one particular, whether it is a thing or whether it is any element, okay, then we need to write the. Now we have only one earth in the whole universe, so we need to write the earth. In the same way, galaxy, whole galaxy, only singular one. Next, Taj Mahal. We have only one Taj Mahal, not only in India, in entire universe. So hence we write the Taj Mahal. And in the same way, Charminar. Particular, only one in the universe, we need to use an article the. Now before ranks means a former, last, first, second. So all these are considered as ranks. So former, later, former president, later president, so such type of word. And in the same way, last, first, second, final. So all these words we need to write with the definite article, that is the. And the fifth rule we need to use for the definite article is superlatives. Any superlative adjectives or any superlative degree which we are using, definitely we need to denote with the definite article, that is the. For example, best, good, better, best. Best is a superlative. Okay. Read, read, red is a superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Most beautiful is a superlative. So such type of superlatives, always we need to use article the before it. That is the best, the tallest, the most beautiful, the highest. So these are the forms of adjective. In the forms of adjective, the third one is a superlative one, and you will use article the before the superlative adjectives. Next, holy books. Any holy books of any particular religion, we are using the, article the. Now Vedas. The Vedas. Ramayana, holy book. The Ramayana. The Bible. The Quran. By this we understood that For all the holy books, we need to write article the before it. So remember the point that one in the universe, you need to write the, and these are all the subcategories of the same point. Any rivers, oceans, seas, canals, valley, so all such things we need to write the article the. Kaveri, Amazon, the Amazon. Oceans, before the oceans, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and before the canals, the Buckingham Canal, and valleys, the Kashmir Valley. We are not using any indefinite article, that is a or an, because it is a singular one, Kashmir Valley. So not using any indefinite article, because these are the particular and unique one, we need to write with the itself. Next, desert, the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert, and Gulf, the Persian Gulf. Before the English newspaper as well, we will use the definite article the here. The next point is very important, because most of us confuse here and will make a mistakes at the time of exam. Now, what is it? Proper noun used as a common noun. Whenever the proper noun is reflecting as a common noun, then we'll confuse it. Let us take the example. Kalidas is dash Shakespeare of India. So Kalidas is a proper noun and common noun Shakespeare of India. Shakespeare doesn't belong to India, but we are comparing Kalidas to the Shakespeare. So hence we use article the. Next, Bombay is dash Manchester of India. So Manchester doesn't locate in India, but we are comparing Bombay to Manchester because both are the same business areas. So hence, so that's all about article the. Now, by this we didn't complete the articles yet. Now we need to understand where we should not write the article as well. Is omission of article. Now let us see what are that. So here are some of the rules where we should not use articles at all. Let us see what are that. Abstract noun. Whenever a sentence is starting with an abstract noun, we should not use any of the articles at all. For example, patience is a great virtue. So here the sentence is starting with an abstract noun. So what do you mean by abstract noun? A thing which we cannot see or else we cannot touch, we can only feel it. Such type of things are called as abstract noun. For example, patience, you cannot see or touch patience, you can only feel it. And courage, brave. So all these are abstract noun. So whenever a sentence is starting with an abstract noun, you should not use any of the articles at all. In examination, you will get an option like no article. You need to choose that option whenever you feel that there is no article. Now, next one is a proper noun. See, there is a difference between particular and proper. Newton is a great scientist. So here the entire sentence is talking about a proper person, that is Newton. In such cases, we should not use any article. So hence we'll put no article as our option. Widest sense. When a sentence is giving a widest meaning which reflects the deeper meaning, where we generally use in a common way, like man is a social being. So it is used in general, in regular, but it has a deeper meaning. So there we should not use any of the articles. Now, uncountable nouns. Chalk, paper, gold, these are not countable. These are always plural and uncountable. Now chalk. Give me a chalk. No, it's wrong. You should not use give me a chalk. You should say give me a piece of chalk. You should use a piece of chalk, but you should not use directly an article before this words like chalk, paper, gold. Now paper, give me a paper, give me the paper. It's not a paper and the paper, it's completely give me paper. Now gold. My ring is made of gold. This is the proper way of saying, but you should not use give me my ring is made of a gold, my ring is made of the gold. No, you should not use any article before it. I hope it's clear. Let's move on to the next one. Meals. See, meals. What are the meals? How many types of meals we have? We have 4 types of meals. Morning we eat breakfast, afternoon we eat lunch, evening we eat snacks, and 4 is a dinner time. So dinner is a special food when somebody offers us. So food we eat regularly at night, that is not called as dinner. We should use supper instead of dinner. So supper, the nighttime food which we eat is called supper. Now we enjoyed the breakfast he gave us. Do you think it's right or a wrong option, writing an article here? Yes, it is right, because we enjoyed the breakfast he gave us. So I am talking about the breakfast which he gave us. So a particular breakfast we are talking about, so hence it is the breakfast. The lunch which you bought yesterday was delicious. So about yesterday's lunch, about the lunch which you bought, so I am specifically talking about a particular meal. So hence in such cases we can use article, but in general, did you have breakfast? This is how you need to use, but you should not use did you have the breakfast. Now expressions like sort of, type of, manner of. So whenever you are using such words, you should not use any articles there. For example, what kind of man is he? That's it. You should not use what kind of a man is he. No, because the singular one you are using an article, so usually we confuse here. So no need of any article when you use words like type of, sort of, manner of. What type of food is it? Indian or Mexican, in such way you should use, but what type of a food? No article at all after this type of expressions. Next, noun plus number. Whenever you say it, blindly remember there is no article at all. Now, the laboratory is in the room number 4. No, room is a noun, 4 is a number. So you should not use any article when you see combinedly a noun and a numerical digit. So I hope you understood this omission of articles as well. So here is my question for you all. Why India? Why the America? So my question is, why do we use India without any article before our country, India? And why do we use the before the country, America? So it seems to be like you have watched or heard somewhere. So please comment where did you watch this or where did you heard it, and if you know the answer, please answer that as well. We'll see the answer for this in the next session. Until then, keep waiting. Thank you.